and welcome to At Home with Tawanda. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to be doing some light gentle painting on my front porch, also some cleaning and decorating it and getting it refreshed for the summer. Summer will be here soon. It actually already feels like summer where I'm at now, so I thought how nice would it be to go ahead and get the front porch refreshed. So my goal is to hopefully give you all loads of motivation and rejuvenation and take you along with me. So let's go ahead and jump right on into it, guys. Before we get started, I want to thank today's sponsor, FLOWSOLE, for partnering up with me in today's video. They sent me over this very nice, comfortable pair of insoles. And FLOWSOLE, they work very hard to relieve the pain of those that may be suffering or experiencing plantar fasciitis. And their insole reduces fatigue from those of us that are standing on our feet maybe all day due to work. I'm an educator, so I'm definitely standing on my feet a lot during the day, as well as my husband. So their insoles, they're very suitable for work boots or even sneakers, and they're made for both men and women at a very affordable price. I was also impressed with the personal letter that was sent from their co-founders, just explaining the product more and thanking me, and this was a very nice touch. And like I said before, my husband has to stand on his feet a lot, so we decided to place the insoles inside of his work boots, and he immediately told me that they felt so comfortable and very light on his feet. He even did the happy dance on his way out the door for work. So you will definitely feel instant comfort with FLOWSOLE, and I will leave a link along with my discount code in the description box if you're interested. I've already cleared the porch so that I can go ahead and wash away all the pollen and give it a fresh new start. I don't know what it is, but it's something so gratifying and also satisfying by doing this that I actually don't mind getting out here and cleaning away all the pollen. I guess knowing that in the end it's going to lead to a fresher and cleaner porch, and that's all the motivation that I needed to get this job done. We have been having a whole lot of rain here lately, so I wasn't able to get everything done in just one day. It actually took me 2 days to get this done. This is a look at our porch after the pollen has been washed away, and also this is a look at our front door. The door could use a fresh coat of paint, so you'll see me later on painting it and also painting the trim around it. This is a simple and very inexpensive way to make your porch look great and also pop out. So I went to my local Lowe's store and I found this really good can of paint for only $9. I simply went up to the cashier and I asked them was there any paint that was returned from any previous customers, and lo and behold, they did sell this to me for only $9 because it was returned from a previous customer. Now this can be used indoors or outdoors, so you're going to see me go ahead and use this and apply it to the door, but I'm not using any painter's tape. I just went ahead and covered up the numbers on the door so they wouldn't get any paint on it, because this is a simple application. And then you're going to see me get some white paint that I've already had that go along the trimming and the size. Adding a touch of paint is just an inexpensive and also a great way to enhance the look of your door and add that pop of curb appeal. So I'm looking forward to seeing the end results when I'm done with this. It looks kind of messy now, but because the paint is being applied, but once it's finished, it's all going to come together nicely. All right, guys, so I'm going to take a quick moment just to introduce myself to those that may be new to the channel. My name is Tawanda, and welcome. Here you'll find much motivation with decor, cleaning, organizing, and we even do a little bit of cooking here and there. So my goal is to always provide you with much motivation and rejuvenation. And if you're new here and if you enjoy what you see, I hope that you'll also consider subscribing to the channel. I would love to have you. I absolutely love sharing my passions and also my creativity with all of you. And I hope that you all enjoy it as well. All right, so I'm going to add that I am not a professional painter at all, but this job was very easy to do because it's such a small job, especially with the door or a piece of furniture. I just went in here with some light strokes up and down with the paint, and it actually turned out very nicely. And then you'll see me, like I said before, going in with the white paint and get the white trimming along the sides, and everything is floating beautifully. I had these planters that I got from a Big Lots store, and they were actually $15 a piece, but I accidentally spilled some paint on one of them, and they're also in the color brown, and I wanted to change that color to a black. So after I thought about it, I was like, let me go ahead and just spray paint them, and it actually turned out very nice. now that we have the painting and cleaning out of the way, this is one of my favorite parts. It's time for the decorating. So these pillows that you see here, they are from Amazon. One says Welcome Summer and the other says Hello Sunshine. So I'm just going to simply place them here on the chairs on the front porch. And then you're going to see me come in next with a white vase in the middle on the glass table. And I'll be placing some yellow flowers to complement the pillows. Now, when I placed the flowers at first in the vase, they weren't that tall. It wasn't showing like how I wanted them to show. So I brought this paper with me and I just balled it up, put it inside of the vase, and then I placed the flowers on top of it to give it that height and depth that I was looking for. And it actually turned out very nicely. I'm also a lantern lover, so I just went ahead in here and placed this lantern next to the white vase that I got from Family Dollar. The lantern was only $5, and I think they both complement each other very beautifully, especially for summer. And next, you'll see me going in with this black and white checker rug. I've had this rug for quite some time, and I got it from Amazon, but it has been through quite some cycles. So I'm going to go ahead and cut away any flyaways that you see here, any extra strings, and then you're going to see me place a Hello mat on top of it. Remember those planters that I spray painted earlier? I'm going to go ahead and just place each one on each side of the door, and they absolutely turned out beautiful. And I also got these pink and green flowers that I got from a local TJ Maxx store. I paid like $15 for each one of them. They're actually hanging flowers, so they can be hung or they can be actually placed inside of the planters. So that's what I decided to do, just place them inside of the planters. And I thought they looked absolutely beautiful in front of the door. And next you'll see me come out with a green wreath to complement it and pull that green out of those flowers. Okay, so now I'm just adding a couple more lanterns just to complete the look, and I'm also going to add some candles inside of them, and they're absolutely beautiful at night, so I'll be showing you guys how it look at nighttime. And now we are finished with the porch. I hope that I have given you much motivation and rejuvenation. Guys, remember to take care of yourselves and also your families, and I'll see all of you in the next video.